how to call a person with voice commands. So if you want to call a person with voice commands, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to just scroll down and tap on Google. After that, here if you go with all services and then scroll down, you will have an option of settings for Google Apps. So you just need to simply go with settings section. Under settings for Google Apps, here you will have search, assistant and voice. Tap on it and it will take you to this kind of interface. You just need to simply go with your Google Assistant, or you can also choose Gemini. So I'll go with Google Assistant and make sure that your Google Assistant is turned on. You just need to simply go with your voice match, add your voice match, and after turning on your assistant, then if you give a voice command, then it will call a person. You just need to simply go and say hey Google, which is right here. On the first option you will have voice match, which is hey Google and voice match. You just need to simply go and turn on this hey Google option and just proceed with the following steps. And after turning on the assistant, you'll be able to give voice commands to your assistant to call a person. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.